Hello everyone, this is AppGuy. I run a game studio based all around the world. We create small experiences, but this time we wanted to go big. With my friends Zunaka and Kelsep, we are working on a game called Generations. The game is set throughout history. The game's first time is in development. It is the Stone Age. We are using the Unity game engine to create our game. The game is an adventure simulation game. The footage you are seeing right now is the game's first version. In this first episode, I will be creating a skill tree system. I got this idea from Zunoka. This image was the first draft. But there was one problem. I had no idea how to make anything like that. Brackies, help me please, I need assistance. What is this? Scriptable object? Nah, I can do one better. Hard coded objects. So I started coding, and I code a little bit more. Did I say that I coded? For the UI, I took the image as reference and made the UI, and it somehow worked. In the skill tree, the currency is levels. You get XP, and when the XP becomes 100, it gives you one level. There are two level 1 systems. One of them has 2 items, the other has 1. The first one has woodworking and stoneworking. The second has gathering. When the player purchases stone and woodworking, flintworking gets unlocked. When the player purchases gathering, hunting gets unlocked. And when that is purchased, fire gets unlocked. The full system is not completed yet. But the completed system and a few more weapons will be added for the next version. And there will be a devlog of it. For now, this is farewell.